Like, you can't tell me this is not a look. You just can't. You cannot. You physically cannot. Hey, so today I'm just gonna be doing my makeup. I don't know. I don't really have like a plan for this look or anything like that, so we're just gonna start. I'm gonna start with this Milani concealer. I did a review on this, kind of, sorta, so. Next, I'm gonna take this Lisa Frank, and I guess in collaboration with Glamour Dolls, Heartthrob Matte Eyeshadow. That's what that looks like. I got this a while ago in my Ipsy bag, like, I don't even know how long ago. So, yeah. I'm just gonna take a dark brown out of the Morphe 350 palette and put that like on my outer part of my eye. Okay, so I was blending, and then, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I'm gonna take this Morphe 15 in palette that freaking eyeshadows keep popping out of. And I'm gonna take Unique and Talent. So these two. And I'm gonna put that where I put that concealer, I guess. Okay, so those two colors were not as bright as I wanted them to be. So I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild highlighting powder in 336A Awesome Blossom. That's what the package looks like. I've never used this before. I just got this from Five Below, so I'm gonna use this. This is what I was gonna use originally, but I was like, no, and then now I'm back to it. It feels nice. Okay, should have just left it alone, but whatever, here we are. Okay, so I did my eyeliner off camera. I was sitting there for so long trying to do these freaking inner corner flicks, and I haven't even done my face makeup, but I haven't wiped them off because maybe I'll be able to keep them for like a template, because it was a struggle to get these. But I'm waiting for my lashes to dry, so while I'm doing that, I'm gonna prime my face with this NYX Honey Do Me Up. And then I'm gonna go in with this Baby Skin Instant Pore Erasing Primer. I think I might splurge and get the Fenty primer because I really need a primer. I want the Angel Veil, but it's like $16 for like such a small tube. And I'm just like, I might as well just get the Fenty one. Like, what are you saying? So. Ooh, a lash. Ooh.
Right?
Lovely lashes. Oh look. Oh look. I freaking love the way my eyes look right now. So I am now going to go in with foundation. So another new product. I wish you guys could have seen that. That was so corny. That I really don't think is my shade because I'm stupid. Half I'm stupid and half the lighting in Target is just set up for you to fail. So this is the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. Once again, Aaliyah's face made me do it. I saw a picture of her with this foundation on. It looks really good, so I decided to try it. It says oil-free satin finish, which I guess I don't really mind. I do have oily skin though, but even matte foundations, girl, I'm gonna be oily by the end of the day, by the middle of the day at that. So it says apply a small amount starting at the center of the face and blend outwards using fingertips, a sponge, or a foundation brush. Layer as needed for more coverage. So it doesn't say what coverage this is supposed to be. It just says you can layer it if need be. So I'm gonna assume that this is like light to medium coverage. I'm in the color Caramel, deep tan with neutral undertones. Like I said, this is probably not my color. In store, it looked like my color, but now that I'm home looking at it, it looks a little ashy. So I don't know honestly. So okay, yeah, this color, neutral undertones. I don't have neutral undertones. What the fuck is wrong with me? Why did I buy this color? Well, I'm gonna have to go back to Target. Love that for me. I'm angry at myself for buying the wrong color foundation. I feel like this didn't cover not a damn thing though, so that's tea. I'm gonna just keep going and hopefully I can make it work. Or maybe I'm gonna take this shit off because it looks terrible. Oh, yeah, no, we're gonna have to take this off. I'm gonna reprime because fuck all that. So instead I'm gonna take this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. Now that that's done, I'm gonna highlight with this Milani Conceal Imperfect concealer. So I blended out that concealer and then I set it with the Fenty Beauty powder, and it's still a little bit there, so that's why I look a little bit crazy. But the next new product that I got was this Wet n Wild bronzer in the shade 743B, and I got this from Five Below as well. As the highlighter I used on my lid. Okay, so that's the color. It looks so light on camera, but I promise it looks pretty dark in person. Mustache is on 100 as usual, but my face looks really nice. I really like this combination that I've just stumbled upon. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. setting spray. So I'm gonna take a black and then I'm gonna take the very first eyeshadow that I used and run that under there. Now for the scariest part, I'm gonna try and take this Wet n Wild Mega Liner and redo these inner flicks. Pause this video. Pause it right now. Pause it. Bow your head and pray for me, okay? Because I just did a full face. My concealer's looking real perfect, real snatched. And if I mess this up and mess up everything, I can't even talk about it. Just pray for me, okay? Okay, that one was okay. Okay, I think I did it. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for your prayers, guys. You the bomb. Like, you can't tell me this is not a look. You just can't. You cannot. You physically cannot. Wow. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I freaking love this look. Like, love it. Love it. But that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next one. Deuces.
Please give a big hand to Mr. Kevin Malone.